Let me show you another way to use this fire bottle that we made yesterday. Let's do a solar ignition of ashed tinder. I discovered 10 years ago that if you take any tinder and thoroughly saturate it with wood ashes, it will become a great coal extender. It will accept the weakest of sparks, maintain that ember on a slow burn until you get ready to aerate it into an intense ember to get your tinder burning. So we'll go ahead and just use t-shirt material this morning. And go ahead and work that in really, really well. And go ahead and ignite it. Always wear your shades when doing solar experiments. It usually ignites a lot faster than that. I must not have had the focal point right. Now, you can get a cigarette lighter out and try just regular t-shirt material, set it on fire, blow it out, put it on the table, and see if it's going to maintain an ember, but it will not. Let's do another one so you can see how long this one burns. Smolders would be the word, wouldn't it? Sometimes it's better to take a small pile of ash and work it into one side, open it back up, turn it over, put another small pile on that side and work it in, because it does need to be thoroughly saturated. I discovered this technique 10 years ago, and I've been trying to get people to understand it and use it and to think about it. But most people won't use the regular coal extenders, you know, like punkwood and plant pith and certain plants and stuff. So I guess I can't expect them to understand why they need to use this to make their own coal extender. But it's great. You can now do things that you could never do before with ash tinder. It's a game changer. I just don't think people understand or care. Maybe they just don't care. All right, let's go ahead and fire this one up. And I don't know why that last one took so long to ignite. Shouldn't. Now we'll use the ember on the table and leave this one to smoke while our leaves are burning. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.